Hey everyone, welcome to the last part of our Windows Tips series, where we unveil the hidden treasures and powerful features that can enhance your computer management and productivity. In our previous tips, we explored personalizing Windows, taking screenshots, creating keyboard shortcuts, using clipboard history, and changing default programs. Now, in this edition, we will take your Windows experience to the next level by introducing you to the secret start menu, advanced search options, pinning apps to the taskbar, disk cleanup for maintaining your PC's performance, and multitasking features such as Windows Snap and virtual desktops. We believe that mastering these techniques will help you make the most of your Windows experience, whether you are a beginner or an advanced user. So, join us on this journey as we unlock the full potential of your Windows environment. Let us dive in and explore these invaluable Windows tips one by one in this informative guide. Tip number 19. Secret Start Menu. Unveiling the hidden Start menu in Windows is like discovering a hidden treasure chest of essential administrative tools that can greatly streamline your computer management tasks. Here is how to unlock its potential. Revealing the Secret Start Menu. You don't need a secret handshake or a magic spell to access this hidden gem. All it takes is a simple right-click on the Start button located on your taskbar. When you do this, a context menu will gracefully unfurl, revealing a plethora of administrative tools that are right at your fingertips. Among the treasures you will find in this menu are powerful utilities such as Device Manager, Task Manager, Disk Management, and more. This hidden Start menu is your express route to these essential tools, sparing you the need to navigate through multiple menus or search through settings to find what you need. Whether you are troubleshooting hardware issues, managing running processes, or customizing your system settings, this menu offers an expedited way to access these vital resources. In essence, unlocking the potential of the hidden Start menu is like having a secret passage in your digital mansion, leading you to a room filled with tools that help you manage and maintain your computer with ease. It is a handy shortcut that can save you time and simplify your administrative tasks in Windows. So, the next time you need quick access to administrative tools, remember the hidden Start menu is there to make your life easier. Tip number 20. Advanced Search Options. Harnessing the full potential of Windows Search can be a game changer in terms of productivity and efficiency. Let us delve into advanced search options to unlock its true power. Step number 1. Activating Advanced Search. To begin your journey into the world of advanced Windows Search, open Settings, then navigate to System, and finally select Search. Within this menu, you will find the key to unlocking advanced search capabilities. By enabling Advanced Search, you expand the search scope, allowing Windows to delve deeper into the text of documents and files. This means that Windows can now sift through the contents of your documents, making it easier to pinpoint specific information buried within your files. With this feature activated, you can quickly locate the precise data you need, saving valuable time and effort. Advanced search options can transform the way you interact with your Windows computer. They empower you to locate information more quickly and efficiently, ensuring that you can focus on your tasks and projects rather than spending time searching for files and data. So, activate Advanced Search and master the art of using search filters to make your Windows experience even more productive and hassle-free. Tip number 21. Pinning apps to the taskbar. Efficiently organizing your workspace can significantly boost your productivity and streamline your daily tasks. Let us explore one essential method for doing just that: pinning apps to the taskbar. Pinning apps for quick access. Pinning an app to the taskbar is like having your favorite tools right at your fingertips. It is a simple yet powerful way to ensure quick access to your frequently used applications. To do this, you can choose to drag the app's icon directly from your desktop or the Start menu and drop it onto the taskbar. This process is akin to placing your most essential tools on your workbench for easy access. Once pinned, you can launch your preferred applications with a single click, saving you the hassle of searching through menus or desktop clutter. This straightforward method is a valuable organizational strategy as it reduces the time and effort needed to open applications, making your workflow more efficient. Whether it is your go-to web browser, a productivity suite, or any other frequently used software, pinning apps to the taskbar ensures that they are always within arm's reach, allowing you to focus on your tasks and projects with minimal distractions. So, take a moment to pin your most used apps to the taskbar and watch as your workspace becomes more organized and your productivity soars. It is a small step that can make a big difference in how you interact with your computer. Tip number 22. Disk cleanup. Maintaining the health and performance of your PC is essential for a smooth computing experience. One critical aspect of this removing unnecessary files. Let us explore the process of doing this using the disk cleanup tool in Windows 10. Using disk cleanup, your computer can accumulate a lot of clutter over time, which can impact its performance. To address this, Windows 10 offers a built-in tool called disk cleanup. You can access it by typing disk cleanup in the Start menu search bar and selecting the tool that appears. Once you have opened the disk cleanup, you will be presented with various options for cleaning up your system. This tool is like your computer's cleaning assistant, as it allows you to remove unnecessary system and temporary files, thus freeing up valuable disk space. By cleaning up these files, you can potentially improve your computer's performance and ensure that it runs smoothly. This cleanup is particularly effective in removing files that are no longer needed, such as system cache and temporary files, making it an essential part of regular PC maintenance. Incorporating this cleanup in your routine can help keep your PC in top shape, ensuring that it operates at its best and stays free from unnecessary clutter. It is a simple but crucial step in optimizing your computer's performance and prolonging its file. So, don't forget to give your PC the cleaning it deserves to ensure it serves you well for years to come. Tip number 23. Multitasking features. Enhancing your multitasking capabilities in Windows can be a game changer for boosting productivity. Let us dive deeper into the Windows Snap feature and the use of virtual desktops to organize open windows efficiently. Step number 1. Windows Snap feature. The Windows Snap feature is like a magic wand for arranging open windows on your desktop. It allows you to effortlessly organize and manage your workspace. To get started, use the Windows key in combination with the arrow keys. This simple keyboard shortcut enables you to snap windows to different quadrants of your screen. For example, Windows key plus left arrow will snap the active window to the left half of the screen, while Windows key plus right arrow will do the same for the right half. Similarly, Windows key plus up arrow maximizes the window, and Windows key plus down arrow restores or minimizes it. By making use of these combinations, you can quickly arrange and size your open windows in a way that maximizes your productivity. This feature is particularly handy for working on multiple tasks simultaneously, as it helps you manage and switch between open applications with ease. Step number 2. Using virtual desktops. Virtual desktops are another fantastic feature that can help you keep your digital life organized and improve your multitasking capabilities. This feature is available in both Windows 10 and 11. To access it, press Windows key plus Tab to open the task view. From here, you can create, switch between, or remove virtual desktops. Virtual desktops are like having multiple workspaces, each dedicated to a specific task or set of applications. This setup is perfect for keeping your work, entertainment, and personal tasks separate and organized. You can have one virtual desktop for work-related tasks, another for leisure and entertainment, and yet another for personal projects. This separation reduces clutter, minimizes distractions, and allows you to focus more effectively on the task at hand. These two features, Windows Snap and virtual desktops, are valuable tools in your multitasking arsenal. They help you arrange your open windows efficiently and keep your various tasks neatly organized. Ultimately, enhancing your productivity and workflow. So, do not hesitate to make the most of these built-in Windows features to supercharge your multitasking capabilities. Congratulations! You have just completed a comprehensive tutorial on mastering Windows with a multitude of tips and tricks. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, these techniques will help you make the most of your Windows experience. Furthermore, if you found this video informative and crave more additional insights, we encourage you to consider becoming a subscriber to our channel. Your support is what keeps this channel running and enables us to continue delivering valuable information. And also, I'd love to hear your requests for future episodes. We are excited about connecting with you in our future videos. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next video.